Good evening, friends. I am Omkar Nath, Regional Manager Maruti Suzuki for AP. On behalf of Maruti Suzuki Limited, I welcome you all to the launch of CNG range of vehicle from Maruti Suzuki. Friends, we are here not just for car launch, but Maruti Suzuki's response to changing time and also its concern for environment. Today, we are joined by Mr. Vijay Ramaraju Garu, Honorable Minister for Transport, Andhra Pradesh, as the chief guest for today's evening. Friends, we are also joined by Mr. CLN Gandhi, Additional Transport Commissioner. We also have among us Mr. Manohar Bhatt, General Manager Sales, Maruti Suzuki. Friends, now I would like to share some key rationale behind the launch of CNG range of vehicle from Maruti Suzuki and also some of the key features of CNG vehicle from Maruti Suzuki. Maruti has always been proactive in taking self-initiative related to environment. No wonder being green and promoting environmental issue is the key driver in our sustainability strategy. Just to showcase few examples, MSIL has been active in. In last 4 years, we are the first automobile company to bring factory-fitted LPG system. Also, we are the first to bring ELV-compliant vehicle in India. CNG car park worldwide has grown at an exponential rate. CNG as an automotive fuel has found a very high acceptance in global market. Looking at the growth rate region-wise, Asia Pacific has been growing the fastest with considerable high base. The reason being the availability of low price, high quality CNG and a focus on infrastructure. Going even more deeper, India has a huge reserve of natural gas. However, CNG car penetration is negligible as on date. This indicates a huge potential for CNG cars. Going by the total number of CNG vehicle, which includes buses and three-wheeler as well, there is a threefold growth in 3 years because of extremely good value that CNG powered vehicle gives, in addition to advantage of being an environment-friendly car. The infrastructure penetration across the world at glance, India needs more CNG station to meet the growing demand of a growing market. Friends, it is befitting that we have the Transport Minister of Andhra Pradesh among us. Analyzing the previous slide, using CNG car population as a base, India still has a long way to go in penetration of CNG stations. Station vis-a-vis petrol station in different states of India, indicating gap in the market. CNG cars, we believe and hope that government will also do its bit by providing the necessary infrastructure to support the penetration of environment-friendly CNG cars.